Hey guys, I want to welcome you to this quick summary video of IX. My name is Joe Martinez. I am the CEO of this great company. I am the creator of this concept IX. And I first and foremost want to invite you to take a look at our ecosystem. We're launching into 2021 with a whole new concept, new products, new technologies, new services, and a brand new platform as a whole. Right now, I want you guys to understand that we are a technology and education company. We're not setting out there to become another trading platform. No, that's something of the past. We're looking to the future. We're looking to innovate. We're looking to bring more leaders to our phenomenal company. So in 2021, what is our game plan? Well, we're launching our ecosystem. Our ecosystem is going to comprise of multiple highly lucrative industries, from e-commerce to social media to technology to health and wellness products. So we're going to be launching something that's never seen before, and we're going to be launching it throughout the world, from Asia through Europe and into the Americas. Another thing I want you guys to understand, in 2021, we will be going through a year of expansion, a year of evolution. We're bringing on more corporate staff. We're bringing on better marketing. We're bringing on a whole new brand look and feel here in 2021. So over the next few weeks, over the next few months, you're gonna see our company change, transform into something more, into something better. Get ready for this change, guys. Make sure you guys are out there sharing our message of inspiration and impacting through the relationships that you're creating right now, because we're taking IX to the next level. We'll talk to you guys soon.